There's one thing, and one thing only, that is preventing you from reaching $1,000 a day on Amazon FBA, and this is what we are going to talk about in today's video. You guys make product sourcing for Amazon FBA way too complicated. It's easy to find profitable products, and I'm going to teach you how to find profitable products and where to find profitable products today. If you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon and how you can actually do the same as me and make a living selling on Amazon. So if you are new, make sure to subscribe to not miss any new videos. So, as I said, you guys are making sourcing or making product research way too complicated. And I'm going to talk from the perspective of arbitrage. If you do not know what arbitrage is, it's pretty much finding products outside of Amazon that sells for less money and selling them on Amazon for more money, and so you pocket the difference, okay? But it doesn't matter whether you are doing retail arbitrage, which is going in stores to try to find products, or online arbitrage, which is finding product online. It is going to be the exact same thing. There's two ways to find profitable products, two main ways. And of course, you can split it up, and you guys come up with crazy names for sourcing strategies such as the rabbit trail, the X, Y, and Z sourcing method, all that stuff. Stop making it complicated. Super easy. Either you start from Amazon and either you are looking at products that people are already selling or products that are popular on Amazon that meet certain criteria. And from there, you go online or you go in store, you go wherever you want to find the product, and you hope that you are going to find those products for cheap enough so it is actually profitable. Okay? This is the first way. And there's storefront stalking with Seller Amp, for example, or you can use the Keep a Product Finder. There's multiple ways to go about it, but this is the big first strategy to do it. And in my opinion, it's not the best one if you are starting, and it's not the one that you should do the most. The second one, and the more interesting way for me, the more interesting sourcing strategy, if I had to choose one for me, is this one. Is actually starting from places where you can find discounted products on sale, products that you can buy with coupons, or if you do retail arbitrage, you do it in person, going to discount store and finding cheap product, and it's the other way around. Hope that those products actually sell on Amazon and that you can sell them for a profit, that you actually get them for cheap enough. And this is, in my opinion, the best way to go about sourcing. Now, the reason why is, and this is why, by the way, I have a list of all the deals. I have my virtual assistants going through every single deals that are on right now. You can see my VA is actually working right now. Going through all the deals that are going on today and that are live today, so I can actually check them and I can check them and find products from there. This is the best way to do it. So, for example, if I wanted to go, I don't know, the Body Shop has a promo right now. I don't know if I'm on the right line, but you get the idea. Yeah, 25% off. Great. Potentially I can find profitable products. This is the two main ways. And by the way, if you want to get this, there's a link in the description. You can book. It's the last day actually that you can get the pre-sale, because the first email will be sent today. If you get it tomorrow, I'm sorry. If you get it today, it's going to be the cheapest price. After this, the price is going to augment. It's going to go up slowly to $35 a month. Right now, you can get in at $27 a month. You just need to pay 99 cents for the pre-sale, and you get the $27 a month. Your price is locked even when the price is going up. Okay, so those are really the two ways to actually be looking for products, and stop making it complicated, because you make it complicated and then you get lost in all the sourcing methods. You go all over the place. No, there's really two ways, and from there you can actually structure the way you are actually going to look for profitable products. As I said, the best way to actually go and find profitable products is to have a list of websites. You can either, by the way, you can also build it yourself. You do not have to get mine. I actually have a free ebook that you can get in the description, so another link in the description, that will teach you how to actually find profitable products, okay? Get it, it's free. If you do not want to pay less than $1 a day to have a team of virtual assistants actually build this for you and returning hundreds of sales every single day, you can do it for free yourself. The whole process is in the book that I give for free. Link in the description. It's an ebook, 100% free course on how to actually source profitable products. These are the two main ways, okay? And so, of course, you can expand on that, using tactical arbitrage, all that stuff, but you really need to stop talking in terms of this process in complicated way and trying to dumb it down. And this is really what it is, okay? Either you look on Amazon for stuff that other people are selling, that you can potentially find and you try to find it, or you go the other way around. The reason why I believe the second method is the best is because if you do the first method and if you spend all your time doing storefront stalking without knowing where you can find X, Y, or Z product, where you usually find those products for less money, where you can actually usually find those products discounted. If you do not know all that stuff, you actually do storefront stalking and you start from zero, you find a product and you actually try to find this product on Google, and then from there you only start to look for this product. It is going to be a little bit complicated. You have no knowledge of sales cycle, and usually the thing that you absolutely need to understand is that the products that you are going to find when you actually look on Amazon, there's some sort of buffer, there's a delay, right? And so because it takes time for a product, if you buy a product, to actually receive it, then to ship it to Amazon, and then for it to become available, because it needs to be transferred amongst fulfillment center, right? So you need to understand that there's some sort of buffer. The products that you are going to find on Amazon today, okay, that you are going to find on Amazon right now, today, that people are actually selling in their store, they bought it probably 1 month ago, like 3 weeks prior to you actually seeing it on their store, at least 3 weeks ago. So because of that, you're going to start looking for those products and you are going to see that they are out of stock, okay? Not that either they are going to go out of stock if they are super profitable products, or they are not on sale anymore. And because of that, you are going to think that it's impossible to find profitable products. And so, yes, you can find products doing storefront stalking, but it requires a lot of speed. You need to go through a lot of data, and it's not the best way because of it, okay? There's a buffer. You are late to the party, as I like to say. You are late to the party. Because of that, a lot of the products that you are going to see are either products that the guy actually tried and things were wrong, things did not work as planned. So either the product is not selling as fast as he thought, because if it was, actually it would probably be out of stock by now, or it's product that just got in, that were on sale 3 weeks, 4 weeks ago, and that are not on sale anymore. So you are going to need to go through a lot of those products, okay? The best products that you are going to find, if you want to find the best product as of today, the best deals right now that you can find are not going to be the deals that you are going to find looking from Amazon, okay? Looking at what other people are selling, because you are late to the party. The best deals that you can find right now, 95% of the times, are going to be deals that you are going to find online that were not actually profitable 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, because they just got on sale right now, and people do not have them in their storefront. Some of them, if they bought a lot of stock, they may have some, but most of them are not gonna have them in their storefront. And so this is why you need to have something similar to this. You can either get mine or do it yourself. It takes a lot of time. I have my VAs doing it full time. Every single day, I have a team of 4 VAs that is building it for me with a ton of deals. You need to be looking at email newsletter, visiting website manually, build that list and start from there, and then start sourcing. Then if you want to use software, if you want to use tactical arbitrage, if you want to use source mogul, I don't know, you can after you do this, after you actually know where to look at. But if you do not know where to look at, you are going to be all over the place, and this is why people spend a lot of time sourcing daily and actually do not, you guys are just all over the place because you do not think about this the right way, okay? This is how you think about sourcing, and this is how you actually do it. Of course, you need more. You need more skills to be able to determine if a product is good or not. And you can just watch this video, by the way, if you want to learn. But that's it for today's video. I'll see you tomorrow.